In this video, I will walk you through Piwik PRO interface. I will provide you a high-level overview and then dive deeper into each section as required throughout this course and other courses. When you log into Piwik PRO, you will be taken to the dashboard section of Piwik PRO. Your dashboard view might look different than what you're seeing on my screen. In the top left corner, there is a menu option. This menu allows you to switch between various Piwik PRO products. You have link to analytics, which is where we are. You can quickly go to tag manager or consent manager. Underneath that, you have few options to manage your account. These are account level settings. So clicking on profile takes you to a page where you can see your basic info, your email address, the language, region, and then you have your password settings as well as any API keys that you have created. You can also create API keys here. Clicking on the menu again, you'll see there is administration. Again, this is account level administration. You have a list of the sites that you manage. Clicking on any of the sites will show you the details about that site. This is what we looked at when we set up the account. Next is the link to manage meta sites and apps. We will cover meta sites and apps in another video. A link to manage user access, link to create user groups, and finally some additional settings that you have here. Your global site and app settings, opt-out form setting, subscription setting for your account, as well as audit log. We will cover all of these in detail as required throughout this course and other courses. Now let's go back to analytics. So go back on the top left menu and click on analytics. Now we are back in the analytics interface. Here you will see a menu that is specific to analytics, as well as on your far right, you will see a drop-down that lists all the sites, apps, meta sites that you have access to or have implemented the tracking on. In my list here, I have two sites, demo site that is created by Piwik PRO and I have access to it, and optizen.com. This is my site that I have implemented the tracking on. So I've got two sites here. If there are more sites, then you will see them listed here as well. If this list gets longer, then you can use the search functionality here to search for a specific site. To look at the reporting for a specific site or app, simply go ahead and select it from this list, and everything that you see in the interface will correspond to that particular site. So in this case, it's the demo site that you're looking at. This is the one I'm going to use for most of the examples. Now let's go over this menu that's specific to analytics. First one is dashboards. This is where you can create new dashboards by clicking on add a dashboard, and any dashboards that you create or are provided by Piwik PRO will be listed in the left-hand panel. Over a period of time, this list will get longer, and that's why you have the search and the filter functionality to help you find the right dashboard. Next menu option is reports. These are all the predefined reports provided to you by Piwik PRO. When your data gets collected, these reports get automatically generated for you based on the settings that you have configured. Next is custom reports. When the predefined reports don't meet your needs, then you will be creating custom reports. This is where you can create those custom reports by clicking on add a report, and all the reports that you have access to will be shown here. Next section is goals. Goals are specific actions that you want to track on your site or app. These are the important things that you want to keep track of. You can create your goals by clicking on add a goal, and any goals that are created in your account will be listed in the left-hand panel. Piwik PRO integrates with other apps. It can send the data or it can receive the data. The list of all the apps and products that Piwik PRO integrates with is listed under integrations menu. This list will continue to grow as Piwik PRO rolls out more integrations. Some of these integrations require you to contact Piwik PRO. So like here, it says contact us. However, there are other integrations that you can do on your own by just providing some information. We will cover the specific integrations as required throughout this course and other courses. Next is the settings menu option or tab. This is where you can create and manage the settings for your reports. For example, this is where you'll create your segments, custom dimensions, metrics, etc. You will also be able to manage the scheduled reports and alerts, as well as see all the integrations that you have enabled in your reports. If you do need any help, then there is also a quick way to get help by clicking on this question mark. That opens up the help menu where you can look for specific documentation. This help menu is available on all the tabs and is contextual. That means the video and the links that you see in this section are related to the section that you are in. For example, here I'm in the settings section and all these links are related to settings section. So that's all I wanted to cover in the interface. I hope this gave you a good overview of where everything is in the interface. Now we will start diving into each of these sections in details. For now, just go ahead and become familiar with the interface, and I will see you in the next video.